If you are looking for your next Samgyeopsal destination, then this place must just be your favorite spot. So today is May 15 and we're here at Baku Baku Unlimited located at Santa Maria Subdivision, San Francisco, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Nung balo may inkari apong offering, well, malapit la ka rin. First impressions, the place is clean, cozy, and perfect for family gatherings, barkada hangouts, or even date nights. Al fresco ang dining area, kaya presko yung ambience, especially during the evening. Plus, they have enough parking space so hindi hassle magdala ng sasakyan. Now, let's talk about the buffet. They have fried rice, sisig, and their chicken dish na sobrang nagustuhan ko. Meron ding pasta, kimchi, japchae, kimbap, fresh fruits, salad, maha blanca, and iba't ibang side dishes. Hindi rin ng drinks and they have two flavors available. For today's visit, which shows their 428 pesos buffet option, they actually have 3 different buffet packages to choose from depending on your budget and preference. Ito nga yung menu nila. Pause nyo na lang if you want to check the details. If buffet isn't your thing, don't worry because they also offer a la carte meals. Now, it's time to grill some meat and see if Baku Baku Unlimited is worth recommending. Tara, kain tayo! Sarap, El! Kanya maning kaya, white sauce ka. Kain, chicken. Okay pa. Yeah, ito chicken, no? Kanya man, penyamal ko yung kain. Kanya maning sisig. Overall, I rate our experience here at Baku Baku Unlimited a solid 9 out of 10. Food selection was good, the meats were satisfying, the buffet dishes were enjoyable, and the place itself was clean, spacious, and comfortable. Mga kainan na ganyan, plus points talaga sa akin kapag meron silang mga high chair for baby. I know, most parents can relate. Alam nyo yan. Sulit din yung presyo for what you are getting. So will we come back? Definitely, yes. So, if you are around Mabalacat, Pampanga and looking for a place to enjoy unlimited samgyeopsal with your family, friends, or special someone, Baku Baku Unlimited is definitely worth checking out. Have you tried eating here before? Let us know your favorite dish in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, follow, and share for more food trips, travel adventures, and local discoveries around Pampanga and beyond. Thank you for watching and we'll see you on our next food adventure. Bye!